Welcome to your simple guide for complete meal prep recipes. If you're looking for easy, practical cooking ideas that save time and still taste amazing, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through step-by-step recipes you can prepare at home with confidence. Let's get started. Grilled chicken meal prep. Cooking can be one of the simplest ways to bring structure into your daily routine, and grilled chicken meal preparation is the perfect place to begin. It starts with something very basic: fresh chicken breast, cleaned properly and prepared with care. A simple seasoning of salt, pepper, and garlic is enough to unlock rich flavor without overcomplicating the process. Once seasoned, the chicken is placed on a heated pan or grill, where it slowly cooks and develops a golden outer layer while staying juicy inside. At the same time, rice is cooking in a separate pot, and vegetables like broccoli are being steamed until they are tender yet still vibrant in color. When everything comes together, the chicken is sliced into clean pieces and placed neatly beside the rice and vegetables. This is more than just a meal, it is a system. You are organizing your cooking, controlling your time, and creating something that can be stored, reused, or even sold. That is where simple cooking begins to turn into opportunity. Salmon and rice plate. Moving into a more premium option, the salmon and rice plate shows how small upgrades in ingredients can elevate your entire presentation. Salmon is naturally rich in flavor, so it only needs light seasoning with salt and fresh lemon. As it cooks in a lightly oiled pan, the outer layer becomes slightly crispy while the inside remains soft and tender. Meanwhile, rice is prepared until fluffy, and fresh greens like spinach are lightly sautéed. When plated together, the contrast is clear: the golden salmon, the clean white rice, and the deep green vegetables. This dish feels complete, balanced, and visually appealing. It teaches you that presentation matters just as much as preparation. With just a few steps, you have created a meal that looks and feels high quality, something people naturally value more. Egg breakfast set. Simplicity reaches its peak with the egg breakfast set. This is one of the fastest and most reliable meals you can prepare, yet it still delivers strong value. Eggs are boiled for several minutes until firm, bread is toasted to a light crisp, and avocado is sliced and lightly seasoned. What makes this meal powerful is not complexity, but consistency. It can be prepared quickly, repeated daily, and easily packaged for convenience. Whether served on a plate or placed in containers, it offers a balanced combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. This kind of preparation is ideal for early mornings, where speed and efficiency matter most. It proves that even the simplest meals can become dependable systems when done right. Chicken wrap. The chicken wrap introduces movement and flexibility into your cooking process. Here, cooked chicken is sliced into strips and combined with fresh vegetables like lettuce and tomato. A light sauce is added to bring everything together, enhancing both flavor and texture. Once assembled inside a tortilla, the wrap is rolled tightly and sliced in half, revealing a clean and appealing cross-section. This visual detail makes a big difference, especially when serving or selling. It turns a simple combination of ingredients into something that feels complete and ready. The wrap is easy to carry, quick to eat, and highly adaptable, making it one of the most practical food options in any setting. Homemade burger. Few foods are as universally recognized as the homemade burger. It begins with ground beef, seasoned and shaped into patties. As the patties cook, they develop a rich, browned exterior that locks in flavor. At the same time, the bun is prepared with fresh layers of lettuce, tomato, and cheese. When everything is assembled, the burger becomes more than just a meal, it becomes a product. It is familiar, satisfying, and easy to customize. This is where cooking starts to connect directly with business thinking. You are not just preparing food, you are creating something that people already understand and enjoy. which makes it easier to offer and scale. Fried chicken. Fried chicken brings a different kind of energy into the kitchen. It begins with marinating chicken pieces in a blend of spices, allowing the flavor to fully develop over time. The chicken is then coated in flour and placed into hot oil, where it begins to transform. As it fries, the outer layer becomes golden and crispy, while the inside remains tender and juicy. The sound, the aroma, and the visual change all make this process engaging and rewarding. Once removed from the oil and properly drained, the chicken is ready to serve. This type of preparation shows how technique and timing can turn simple ingredients into something highly desirable. Pasta with sauce. Pasta with sauce offers comfort and simplicity while still allowing room for creativity. The pasta is boiled until tender, while a sauce is prepared separately using oil, garlic, and tomato. Once combined, the mixture is allowed to simmer briefly so the flavors can blend together. This dish is flexible. You can adjust the sauce, change the portion size, or add small variations depending on your needs. It is affordable, easy to prepare, and widely enjoyed. That makes it a strong option for both personal meals and larger-scale preparation. It reminds you that consistency and adaptability are key elements in building a reliable cooking system. Pancake breakfast. Pancakes bring a softer, more comforting tone to the menu. The batter is made by mixing flour, eggs, milk, and sugar until smooth. It is then poured onto a heated surface, where it begins to cook slowly. Small bubbles appear, signaling the perfect moment to flip. Once cooked on both sides, the pancakes are stacked and can be served with simple toppings. This meal is warm, familiar, and inviting. It works well for breakfast settings and adds variety to your preparation routine. It also shows how even basic ingredients can create something enjoyable when handled with care. Loaded fries. Loaded fries demonstrate how creativity can elevate even the simplest ingredients. Potatoes are cut into strips and fried until crispy. Once ready, they are seasoned and topped with cheese and sauce, transforming them into something much more exciting. This process is fast, efficient, and highly appealing. It is especially effective in environments where quick service is important. The transformation from plain potatoes to a fully loaded dish highlights the power of presentation and finishing touches. Small changes can create a big impact. Chocolate cake. The final preparation, chocolate cake, introduces patience and precision. Ingredients are carefully mixed into a smooth batter and poured into a baking pan. As it bakes, the mixture rises and sets, gradually turning into a soft, rich cake. After cooling, frosting is applied, and the cake is sliced into portions. This final step transforms it into a complete dessert, ready to be served or shared. Baking teaches you to slow down, follow timing carefully, and focus on detail. It completes the full range of food preparation, from quick meals to more deliberate creations. Simple steps, great meals. That's the power of meal prep. Keep experimenting, stay consistent, and make cooking a part of your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious ideas. Thanks for watching.